The all-new Syndicate jacket from Joe Rocket represents the ultimate collaboration between comfort and mobility without sacrificing protection. Protection starts with a high tenacity shell that is reinforced by large 1.2mm cowhide panels at all key impact points. Further backing this resistant chassis are CE-certified armor at the shoulders and elbows, along with a removable high-density spine pad that can be upgraded to a CE-certified back protector thanks to the integrated rear pocket. Or upgrade to our Speedmaster 2.0 CE Level 2 back protector for the ultimate armor configuration. And all this protection doesn't come at the cost of rider mobility thanks to the large full-flex stretch panels integrated into the inner sleeves and further complemented by articulated expansion panels located at the elbows, the combination of which dramatically increase rider mobility and reduces fatigue. Comfort comes by way of the integrated variable flow ventilation system with adjustable intakes at the biceps and two massive exhausts at the back, flowing heat and humidity out. Keeping your core warm in cold weather riding, the Syndicate also includes a removable insulated vest liner. Keeping all this in place is a 4-point SureFit adjustment system with multi-position adjusters at the waist and forearms. Final detailing includes a neoprene-lined leather mandarin collar, 8-inch zipper for pant attachment, reliable YKK zippers, 320 degrees of reflectivity, and an extended back. The Syndicate, where serious comfort, protection, and mobility conspire to make all future rides truly epic.